In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll confidently find your Wix dashboard through Google and safely move a site to the trash, with a clear understanding of what happens along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. In the results, choose the official Wix website. Look for the wix.com domain to make sure you're on the legitimate site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account credentials so you can access your dashboard. This gets you into your Wix account area where all your sites are listed. Once you're in your Wix account, you'll land on the website section at manage.wix.com. This is your central hub for managing every site tied to your account. Find the specific site you want to remove. If you manage many sites, use the search bar or filters to narrow the list by site name or status. Hover your mouse over the site card or row to reveal the options menu. You'll see a small three-dot icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. Click those three dots to open the action menu for that site. If you don't see the icon right away, try expanding your window or scrolling. It can be tucked to the right on smaller screens. From the menu that appears, choose Move to Trash. This action is designed for cleanup and is safer than permanently deleting a site outright. Moving a site to the trash removes it from your active list and helps prevent accidental edits or publishes. Before you proceed, double-check that you're selecting the correct site by confirming its name or preview thumbnail. If you're part of a team, remember that only users with the right permissions will see this option. A confirmation window will pop up to make sure you really want to move the site to the trash. This is your last chance to review your choice. When you're sure, click Move to Trash to confirm. Wix will process the request, and the site will disappear from your active websites list. Typically, the site is placed in your account's trash area, where it can be restored within a certain time frame, unless it's permanently deleted later. Keep in mind that connected domains, subscriptions, and billing are managed separately from the site's trash status, so review those in your account if needed. That's it. You searched for Wix on Google, opened your account dashboard, used the three-dot menu to select Move to Trash and confirm the action. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to tidy up your Wix workspace.